This video we are going to show you how to remove the radio, CD player, monitor and the AC control panel from Volvo XC60 2011, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this size T25 Torx screwdriver, and then this blue dashboard removal tool, and the two hook, or you can just use one to remove the panel, and then plus the screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. And the first step, we remove this air conditioning vent around the monitor. By the way, we already made everything loose. This is just for the demo only. And once there has only one connector, and when you insert your dashboard removal tool, you insert it close to these clips, so it would be easily release the unit, so you can get it out. So these are the location of the clips which you need to insert your tool to get it out. Now we pop up this cover for the CD section. Just put your hook in there and just pull it forward. It might be a little bit hard to pull, but you just have to yank it out. And you can see these are the two clips which holds this bezel around the CD opening. And this is where your hook goes in and you pull it forward. And now we need to remove the two mounting screws for the whole center console panel, which is located right, one on the driver's side and then one on the passenger side, right behind the whole center console assembly. You need a very short screwdriver, size T25 Torx, or you just get this angle screwdriver to remove these two screws. And once you get those out, and this is a screw, as if you want to see, this is a long screw. Now we put the car in the neutral position, so we have enough room to move the center console. There are 4 screws, size T25 Torx. As you can see, once you need to remove these 4 screws too. They're size T25, and then we can pull the whole AC control panel or center console, whatever you call it, out. And it has a connector in the back, which I'll show you in a minute. It needs to disconnect. Mounting screws for the radio CD player. And get it out. And these are the connectors in the back. And if you need to remove the monitor, monitor has also 4 more screws. But before you remove those 4 mounting screws, you need to remove completely this black plastic housing all the way down here, which has 4 more screws down here, which we are not showing it in this video. So if you need any repair for the CD player or the radio or the AC control unit, which we took out already, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.